Welcome to Style Skating. Let's learn seat spin today. We're going to start with dip, gliding forward. You're going to go as low as you can, reaching with your arms forward, getting your chest over your knees, and pressing with your knees forward, that your knees will be over your toes. Getting your hips as low as you can. Then we're going to try shoot the duck, which much harder. You can see that her leg is a little bit bent, free leg. Even she goes very nice and low into her shoot the duck, reaching forward again with her arms and bending her ankle. Right leg, you can see a little high, and again free leg slightly bent. We're going to work on fixing that. So we'll try to straight turn out and point free leg. Look how much better at this time. And keep that low position and balance. And then right leg. Straighten your knee, turn out your foot, point your toe. Not bad to start with. And now we're going to start on a circle, because when you spin forward, you're actually going backward and side. And that's what we're going to work on. You can see position almost there, could be a little bit lower, but again, we're just starting. And then same with backward seat spin. Now you're on your right foot, gliding backward outside. And again, reach forward and go as low as you can. Now we're going to spend some time on lunges. Because you start seat spin, you have to bend your leg. See how her hips a little bit behind. And then we're going lower. She start leaning too much. And now we're going to try to fix that by keeping her back straight. That's good lunge. And then other leg. Same thing. Straight back and going as low as you can with your leg extend behind. There's a couple more skaters who decide to show me their lunges. Very nice deep position, but free like a little bit bent behind. See, same with this skater. But very nice and low, all the way down. Back straight, arms out. And after my skaters, I decide to do it too. Straight back, arms out, leg behind extend. And then we're going to continue working on seat spin. So from that lunge position, we're going into 2-foot spin in a squat. Bend, glide, and lunge. And then the right side and right leg going around. And then you just reach forward and stay in this position. This is good preparation exercise for seat spin. Now we're going to do 1 foot. And then try to get into 3-turn and seat spin. At this time, you can see how straight she went into the spin. So her circle was too big and she did not hook that 3-turn and get around enough to get her speed. Now this circle was smaller, but I feel like she went into 3-turn really too early. Again, she needs to glide here and get more inside circle before she does her 3-turn. Let's go on a smaller circle and try to make our 3-turn a little bit quicker. And you can see she starts spinning much faster after that. Push into forward outside edge, rotate your shoulders to 3-turn, exit backward and side, and swing your right leg around and reach with your arms forward. That was a little too high, so we're going to try to go from lunge again, because this way you can feel how you're going down more with your skating leg, because it's easier to stay on 2 feet. You can see it's a little bit lower at the time, still trying to find right balance, but it's good exercise to get lower. There's another try. Oh, went way too far down. Let's try one more time. This time it's lower, and she held it very nicely. It's all about repetition. Don't get discouraged. Keep practicing. Find your right position. Go as low as you can. And if you fall, it's closer to the ice. You're not going to hurt yourself. That's much faster. Still need a little more control on that. You can see how many times in the lesson we did the seat spin. We repeat probably 10, 15 times. Much better position, you can see, and she just couldn't hold it long enough. But she got into a good seat spin position. And now we have our last spin of the lesson. That's good position for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.